Yo, you would think if you're spending $100 to $200 for a hoodie, the shit is gonna last you a while, right? Nope, not with these essential hoodies. Today we're gonna go over why you should not buy this essential hoodie. Just please save your money, bro. If y'all do end up enjoying this video or you feel like it helped you in any way, please leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what else y'all would like to see in the comments, because I'll be sure to make that video for y'all. If you're trying to support a brand that isn't gonna do what Essentials is doing, click the link at the top of the description and sign up for my brand's newsletter. NORI is gonna be dropping soon. As soon as 10 to 15 more people enter my newsletter, I am gonna do a dedicated video talking about my whole story and the reason I decided to create a brand. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I got this hoodie for Christmas right here, and honestly I loved it, so I was wearing it for mad long. It's the Essentials, I believe it's the stretch limo colorway if I'm not mistaken. It's all black. The front looks clean, no issues. It's almost like this velvet suede print on it, which I thought was pretty cool initially looking at it, right? Then when you flip over to the back, I've literally worn this maybe like 15-20 times, I'm not gonna lie. Washed it probably like 4 times as well. I was wearing it one day and I realized like, bro, something feels funny on this hoodie, because I was like touching my back and shit. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is that? As y'all can see right here, the letters are literally peeling off on this hoodie. Imagine spending $200 or whatever this hoodie cost on a hoodie and your letters start peeling off, bro. I'd be fucking pissed. So I decided to make this video for y'all. Just please avoid this hoodie. Like, whatever you do not buy this Essentials hoodie, because you're gonna be sick, bro. You might as well just buy some shit from Fashion Nova at this point. Deadass can't make this shit up, bro. The whole A, the R, I deadass can't make this shit up, bro. Like, my finger is behind the fucking letter. Literally, look, the whole shit is peeling off. And I actually looked it up online, and some people have the issue where the big letters are peeling off. Come on, bro. Your shit gonna say isn't. Imagine the letter N come off, your shit gonna say essay tails, bro. Essay tails, you feel me? Come on, bro. Like, the story of an essay out here. Like, bro, what is going on? Like I said, bro, if you're spending this type of money expecting some quality shit, you're in for something different, bro. I don't know if they switch manufacturers, whatever print they use for this specific hoodie right here, just don't do it, bro. Please avoid it at all costs. That's not to say cancel Essentials as a brand, because honestly, I've had this hoodie for a couple years and it's still holding on strong. It has like a more rubberized material. It doesn't have like the velvet on it. That velvet print that they did is a dub. Like, that shit is an L. They definitely should have put that shit in the wash test before releasing it. But this rubberized silicone print is definitely way better. And actually, bro, I feel like I'm gonna use something like this for some shorts that I'm gonna drop. I think it's sick, bro. It's something different. It gives it a little bit more texture and it's holding on strong. So I fuck with this one. I feel like it might be something that I want to include in my brand. I also love the rubberized patch on top of it. This one has been holding on strong. Like I said, I don't know if it's that specific hoodie, but I only own 2 pieces and one out of the 2 is ass. So I just wanted to make this quick little video for y'all, warning you to not buy this. This is called the stretch limo colorway. I'm sure if you look that up on StockX or whatever, you'll be able to find every other colorway with this same style, and avoid that shit at all costs, bro. Like, the rubberized ones from a couple years back are definitely solid, but this one right here is just ass, bro. Like, definitely don't do it. I'm gonna show y'all one more time up close. My fingers behind the fucking letters. Like, look, bro, I'm not making this shit up. I was sick. Like, this was one of my favorite hoodies and it was good while it lasted, but bro, like, come on, son, do better. Like, this shit for resale is probably like 200, 150. Like, come on, son, paying that much for some shit that's just gonna fall apart. It's not a good look, Jerry. It's not a good look, Jerry. Get your shit together. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video for y'all. Let me know if you enjoyed. If you were gonna buy this hoodie, just don't. Literally try to find one of the older models and go with that, you feel me? If you're still trying to rock Essentials, I feel you. I fuck with Essentials, but low-key my brand is dropping soon, so y'all not gonna have to deal with nothing like that, you feel me? Sign up for onenori.co with your email. Once we get 10 to 15 more people, I'm gonna come out with my brand story and the release date. I'm actually gonna go to my manufacturer in a couple days, see how long they're gonna take to make the whole shit, and then we official, bro. I promise y'all, you will not be disappointed. I have so much shit on the way and I'm honestly mad excited, so please go ahead and sign up. And whatever you do, avoid this hoodie, bro. Even if you're not gonna cop some NORI, which I don't know why you're not, you feel me? You definitely should. This hoodie right here with the velvet suede hoodie with the stretch limo colorway, don't pick up none of them shits, bro. It's a dub for real. But if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody that's gonna cop some Essentials so they avoid this shit right here. Comment any video ideas in the comments, because I'm pumping vids like crazy. This is the second video of the day. I got one more to film and then I'm actually done filming. Time to edit, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I love you for life, bro. Like, deadass, I appreciate y'all for steady coming through, showing love. Y'all already know the vibes. Leave a like to share this with the algorithm. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.